Hey lawyers, how much time should you spend on marketing to get clients?
There's 3 ways to work with us. Our agency does it all for you: coaching and self-study courses.
Hey, it's Mary Cary again, your legal marketing director, website developer, and video production expert. Marketing can be daunting for lawyers, and for a number of reasons. One reason is that lawyers are often busy with their casework and may not have the time or resources to devote to marketing efforts. Additionally, many lawyers may not have a background in marketing and may not know where to start or how to effectively promote their practice. Lawyers may be hesitant to self-promote. In the legal profession, there is often a focus on maintaining objectivity and impartiality, and some lawyers may be uncomfortable with the idea of promoting their own services.
Let's look at allocating resources. But first, a quick introduction.
I've produced over 10,000 law firm videos in all different styles. Having a video is easy, but having a video that reaches or surpasses your goals is not so easy. While my marketing agency does everything related to signing new clients and streamlining your practice,
Where'd they find this guy?
I think that I'm best known for video production, not only from directing so many thousands of videos and building video studios in law firms, but as the marketing agency tracking the data that proves that the videos reached their goals.
And marketing, when done correctly, is a fabulous investment.
So let's jump into this subject.
How much time should you devote to marketing your law firm?
The amount of time that a firm should spend on marketing will depend on a variety of factors, including the size of the firm, the type of law practice it is, the target audience, and the firm's overall marketing goals. Some firms may choose to focus more heavily on marketing in order to attract new clients and grow their practice, while others may be content to rely on word of mouth and referrals from other existing law firms or from existing clients.
So how much budget should you allocate to marketing your law firm?
As a general rule, it is a good idea for law firms to allocate a portion of their budget and resources to marketing efforts, whether that means hiring a marketing team or outsourcing to a marketing agency. This can help the firm reach a wider audience and establish itself as a trusted resource in its field.
Something else you might want to consider is the time that it takes to gather and analyze your data.
It's also important for law firms to regularly review and assess their marketing efforts to ensure that they're actually effective and aligned with the firm's overall goals. This may involve analyzing data on a website, like the website traffic, social media engagement, and other metrics to see that the strategies are working and where there's room for some improvement. I hope that this information has been helpful. Reach out to me anytime, Mary@GoMediaMarketing.com. And here's to your success.
Contact us today and learn how GoMedia Marketing Productions can help your law firm grow. Join us on Facebook, and if you're on YouTube, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. That's so that more law firms like yours can find this content. Thank you so much.